kecil ramah.
Quý pilih bapaknya wanita.
Interested in this now that there's a huge mess to clean up? You're kidding me, right?
¡De la carretera! Perdona que te dejara, jefe. Voy a enmendar esto.
Oye, qué bueno que llegaste.
Peel back that tough exterior.
I'm about to commit a moving violation! Oh!
Miss Fritter.
Me be jamming now, man.
A winner!
Who be jamming now?
Well, that's gonna change right now. Hello, pace! Drop and give me 20 miles! Go, 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 go!
Stop that! You're taking me off my line! Last lap! Come on, Cruz!
Mater, let's go! You're on!
Comes up and you need my help.
I will. Take care, Polly.
Will do. So long.
Rogi?
Aku ini benar-benar penyanyi yang hebat. Mungkin lebih baik daripada Tayo.
Catalina!
Luigi, Guido, che bello rivedervi! Bentornati, amici!
Soldier, come on by Sergeant's surplus hut for all your government surplus needs.
Oh, honey, surplus.
We have too much.
What are you doing out here with an empty tank?
Well, I thought I'd refuel in Hawaii, but...
Hawaii is 375 miles south.
Turn my accident proneness into my greatest strength. And she helped me fix my siren, too.
Act civilized. We got...
Thanks, guys.
Nice paint, kiddo! need is a sweet taste of my homemade organic fuel.
No, doesn't agree with my tank.
Boy, we ain't as dumb as you think we are.
But how did...
Jackson Storm.
Yeah, he's one of the rookies. Huh.
I think the king should finish his last race.
Lightning McQueen! Good job!
Thank you so much for having us, Sir Axelrod.
I hereby dub thee Sir Tomica.
Now that it's time for me to make some changes.
Changes? What kind of changes?
This just in. Rookie Jackson Storm slams the proverbial door on Lightning McQueen.
Hey, Doc! Come look at this fellow on the radio. He looks just like you.